Hello, good morning, class student. So today I'll be taking up math subject and the topic will be a rational number. Before we solve any question, let's try to know what is rational number. So a rational number is a number which can be represented in the form of p by q, where p and q are integer and b is not equal to 0 is called a rational number. So let me write it down. So a rational number, a number which can be represented in the form of p by q or a by b, where p and q or a and b are integer and q is not equal to 0 or b is not equal to 0 is called a rational number. So for example, 3 by 4 or minus 7 by 8, a number which are arranged in this form. These are known as a rational number. So the first thing we need to know is that addition means sum of rational number. For example, let's see say 8, 5 by 6 and 7 by 8. To solve this question, first thing we need to know is we need to make the denominator common or same. The denominator means this lower part of a fraction. So we need to make these two as common. That means we need to make it same. The first thing that we need to do is make the denominator common or same. To make it this one, we need to take LCM. Taking LCM of denominator, that is, the denominator is 6 and the other one is 8. If we take LCM of these two, let's say 6 and 8, 2, 3, 6, 2, 4 is 8. Then multiplying this one, or let me write it this one, 6 and 8 is given as 2 into 3 into 4. 4, 3, 12. 12 to 24. LCM of 6 and 8 give 24. So to solve this question, let's see, that is 5 and 6 plus 7 and 8. So taking LCM of this one, we get 24. 24. Since the numerator is 5 into 6, 6 how much is 24? 6 4 is 24. So will be 4 plus 7 numerator into 8 3 is 24. 5 4 is 20 plus 7 3 is 21 and divided by the denominator 24. And if you sum these two, you'll get 41 by the denominator 24. So this will be the result answer. And the next one, subtraction of rational number. Subtraction means we need to find the difference. Let's solve one question. Let's say 16 by 15 minus 8 by 15. Here, since the denominator have same value, that is 15 and 15. So we can directly take LCM as 15 or 15 and 15, let's say 15 1 is 15, 15 1 is 15. So 15 into 1 is 15. So LCM is 15. Then the numerator is 16 into 15, 1 is 15. So 1 minus 8 into 15, 1 is 15. So it will be 1 equal to 16 minus 8 divided by 15. And 16 minus 8 give 8. 8 by 15. Therefore, this is the result for subtraction of rational number. And the next one, multiplication of rational number. Multiplication of rational number. Multiplication means product. Multiplication of rational number is the product. It is the product of numerator divided by the product of denominator. Let's look one example. Let's say find the product of 2 by 5 and 3 by 7. So this one, we can do it easily. That is 2 by 5. Product means into 3 by 7. So multiply the two numerator and divide by the multiplication of the denominator. That's 2 3 is 6 and the denominator 5 7 is 35. So this will be the result. And again, division of rational number. To divide the rational number, the dividend is multiplied by the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of divisor. Example, let's say divide 4 by 5 by 7 by 9. This is equal to 4 by 5 symbol divide 7 by 9. So we need to change this one into multiplication. The dividend is multiplied by the multiplicative inverse of divisor. That means 4 by 5 into. When we change this symbol into this fraction, it will change. That means the denominator will become numerator and the numerator will be in the denominator. That is 9 by 7. Let's continue this way. This will give 4 9 36 5 7 35. So this will be the result. And now let's do absolute value of rational number. Absolute value of rational number. So the absolute value of a rational number is its numerical value without considering its sign. So the absolute value of a rational number, let me write in short form, rational number is its numerical value without considering its sign. So here we don't need to see the sign, that is whether it is minus or plus. For example, absolute value of 3 by 4. This 2 bar, this is known as absolute. So this will give 3 by 4. So we don't need to look for the sign, this sign. Or let's see the absolute value of 8 by 9 still will be 8 by 9. So since we have learned about addition of rational numbers, subtraction, multiplication, division, and absolute value, so let's try to solve exercise. Exercise 1.1. Question number 1. Fill in the blank. Roman number A. Given question is 7 by 9 is equal to 21 by blank. So we need to find the value of this blank part. To find this one, the first thing that we need to know is that first, since these two have the value, try to find the value which can be multiplied, means or in short form, let's try to divide 21 by 7. 7 3 is 21. Since we get the result as 3, now let's multiply the denominator by 3. Let's multiply it. That is 7 into 3, 9 into 3. This gives 21 and 9 into 3 is 27. So the value will be 27. Therefore, the result will be 21 by 27. Or let's do another question. Let's say minus 8 by 9 equal to blank by 18. What we need to find is this value. So again, since when we look at the denominator, we have two number, that is 18 and 9. So greater one is 18 and divide by 9. 9 2 is 18. The result is 2. So let's multiply both sides, numerator and denominator, by 2. 8 into 2, 9 into 2, which give 8 2 is minus 16, 9 2 is 18. So the value is minus 16 by 18. So for your assignment, try to solve it Exercise 1.1, question number 1, C and D. Question number 2, C and D. Question number 3, C and D. Question number 4, B and C. Question number 5, BC. Question number 6, these two, BC. And please try to submit all this assignment without fail so that we will be able to complete some of the chapter. And on top of that, all this assignment, what we have done will be important for final exam. So for all this question, if you cannot understand it, you look for this, all this what we have done in the example. Okay, thank you, my dear student. This will be for today.